Hey guys, I'm going to make you a quick video on how you can connect your Sonos Arc to the LG TV. So first thing, you want to connect Sonos at the sound source. Connect the HDMI cable to HDMI 2. Then you want to press the gear on a remote to get the settings. You then want to select all settings on the bottom. Sound out, use a wired speaker, and you just want to then select the HDMI Arc device. Then you just want to go back and select advanced settings and go to digital sound output pass-through. Then you're gonna have eARC support, you want to have on. And then you're gonna use a magic remote to control Sonos volume. Now then, you're gonna press the gear on the remote to get the settings. Select all settings on the bottom with the select general devices, select external devices, select universal control settings, select HDMI 2, select manage settings. Then you're just gonna select Bluetooth soundbar, select Sonos manufacturer, click through the finish. At this point it still may not work, use the Sonos app, system, select your system, select TV setup, follow the prompts and make sure nothing else is connecting through the HDMI and then follow the prompts until it's done. So this is the one thing that you can try to do. I just found this already, maybe it's going to be helpful. And I just saw here that if it's not going to work out, you just want to disconnect everything from the TV, including the ARC, and unplug the TV and ARC from the power for a couple of minutes. Then plug everything back in, but keep everything disconnected. Enable simmering on your TV, then run the TV setup in the Sonos app under the ARC settings. And when the app instructs you to, connect the ARC to the TV's HDMI ARC port using the Sonos supplied HDMI cable. So have a great day and goodbye.